Here we are with a personal box of 5-star baseball for Princess Lou. Good luck, Princess Lou. Mickey, it's first come, first serve in the store, so, I mean, it's unfortunately I can't dictate who gets them in the store. So if somebody got them before, then sadly we're at the mercy of the store. All right, Lou, I'm going to stack these up. 1 on the bottom, 4 on top. Yeah, it's unfortunately I can't. I mean, my hands are crossed on that one. All right, 1 on the bottom, 4 on top. Lou, I'm not doing a freaking randomizer here. Are you kidding me? All right, I'll click it 3 times. 1. Is that cool? Or do I gotta roll the dice? 4 times. All right, 2. 3 and 4. Box number 2. What I said 1 on top, right? So box number 2. He says I will smack you, you shit. Oh, they tape it up, did they, Shane? Like we were out of slider boxes. No way. Are you effing kidding me? To 299, Dale Murphy. To 499, Andrelton Simmons. To 399, Edgar Martinez. To 4, it's so sweet. To 499, Chris Owings. Number to 25, David Cone. And that was the break. Thanks, Lou. Appreciate it, man. Lou, that card is legit going to get you probably like 800 to 1,000. Is that on a Stadium Club? One gone. Congrats, Lou.